Thank you, Angel. Of course, I never have sound. I always do. I always do that to myself. I never have sound. That's because I always cough and everything. I am here. I am here. Hey yo. I always cough into the microphone, so I was trying not to do that. So Brandon says this year has been bad for stocks. Yeah, not for bullishness. It hasn't been great for bullish stocks, or that's for sure. So I was saying, what a lovely weather day today. I'm in Connecticut. It's in the 70s. Yesterday was nice out. After I'm done with this video, I'm going to not practice social distancing. So I'm going to break the social distancing rules, and I'm going to go out to maybe a bar. I don't know if we're doing a barbecue. I know definitely a bonfire. Going out to a big rural town. Definitely bonfire. Definitely wine. Going to be dinner of some sorts. Maybe ice cream and a Jeep ride. Definitely. And no masks, guys. I'm an extrovert. I'm getting my extrovert time. So it should be a good rest of the day. What's up, Rock? Hey, Rocky, what's up? How you doing? All right. So I actually got to keep this targeted. I got to end this in 45 minutes or so. So Greater Hartford area. All right, guys. So look at the SPY, and you can see there was a double top, failed, and support held. You guys can see support held this 280s area. Might be doing kind of a morning star-ish. Not really a morning star, but possible reversal. Got to watch and see. Let's look at the hourly. And maybe doing kind of an inverse head and shoulders-ish. So we will watch and see what happens next week. So let's build the watch list. And, all right. So, ACB, good old pot stock. You guys remember? The other day I was building the watch list, and I was like, let me put ACB in the watch list when I saw this reversal candle. And for whatever reason, I don't know if I put it on the watch list. I can't remember if I did or not. I should say. I felt like I had it on there, and then maybe I took it off. Let's see. So you can see our watch list posted every day here. Our day trade watch list and swing trade watch. Let's see. Previous watch lists. Yeah, I remember I went to put it on and then I took it off at the last moment. See, that would have been a good one to put on, and ACB fired off. I don't know if I don't know if I'll put it on. It's still maybe heading up. We may potentially. It's near. Let's see, where's resistance? Well, resistance around 1357. This one may potentially still go up. We may put it on for right now. Yeah, it had a reverse split. Yeah. Yep. Just pot stocks may be getting a pump. This is where I like, again, just explaining what I like to put on. I like to put on ones that have like a hammer or something like that's a pullback. I typically don't like to put it on when it's already kind of broken out for you guys. Not that there can't be a continuation day, but typically I try not to put those on. So I try to avoid basically putting flag poles on, stuff like this. I like to watch for pullbacks, ideally for you guys. So you can ideally get the breakout, stuff like this, not necessarily like this. No, I'm not on bullish bears right now. I'm just only doing social media. I'm not in the trade room because probably most people are not in there right now. Possible. Sometimes that is the case, Stefan. But we could pull up. Let's just pull up Cron. Another pot stock. Let's see if they're all running. They all kind of run together. So, a lot of times it might signify a pump, but at the other times, if a whole sector is running, that could be the reason why. CGC. CGC might be. That's Canopy Growth. I might put that one. I actually might put CGC on instead of ACB. CGC is a big Canadian pot stock. So I actually might put that one on instead. Wow, you guys want me taking a look at lots of stocks. SRNA, let me see. Possible reversal, possibly. Got some resistance right up over in here for SRNA. You know, it's got that 50 SMA. See if we can get above the 50 SMA. VTIQ. You know what, guys? Do me a favor, just because I'm trying to make the video shorter today. Some people will like that, some people won't. So maybe ask me to look at symbols at the end. Otherwise, I'll never get through it. I had some guy say, "This video's too long. Make it 20 minutes." Not 2 hours. Well, the end of the video, I was just rambling. Guys, I'm not going to make shorter videos, you know. I can't please everybody. So it's just, I'm getting on. I'm trying to, you know, talk to you guys, enjoy whatever. Some people are going to like it. Some people are not. ARGGY. This one may be doing a possible reversal. That's a weird pattern down there, but for a sub $1 penny stock, this one may be setting up for a pump. That might be the sub $1 stock I might put on. ARGGY. Oh, Tim has a call option on CGC. It's going to break out. Oh, nice. Cool. Yep, Timmy. I didn't even look. That's awesome. See that? We're on the same page. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to make shorter videos. It's just I'm not, you know, again, I make shorter videos. People are going to be like, "Oh, does he not have?" I have a personality. I'm an extrovert. I'm going to make long videos. It's just how I am. Some people will like it, some people won't. I mean, these are just for the watchlist videos, you know, so I mean, it's just, I can't please everybody. Possible morning star pattern here on the daily, so we may put on ACRGF. ACRGF. Made good money on GLD. Nice. Yeah, it looks like the pop stock sector may be starting to get a pump again. You put an order in on ACB yesterday. Hopefully it will continue up for you. Made bank on Tesla and FUV. Nice. What's up, blind trader? How are you? Oh, there we go. This was something I like. Possible reverse. So kind of a morning star pattern within a cup and handle with a daily gap up here. This is what I like. Stuff like this. With price above the moving average lines on the hourly and a possible bull flag. CEPQP. I like that one. CEQP. I think I got a little sunburn today, guys. I was what did I do? I did a walk outside and then a drive with the sunroof. I'm building the base up, guys. So when you have a bald head like me and stuff, you kind of get it out there, get out in the sun like 20 minutes a day, and then get that that head tan, and you know, so I'm getting that after quarantine suntan, or trying to. Do I have a bug in my house? Hold on. So I feel like, you guys know when you get that like kind of a burn, you feel like, I feel something, like my skin feels kind of dry or something. Bed Bath & Beyond, maybe Morningstar reversal. Let's take a look here on the hourly. Possibly, potentially. We like to say the word potentially. BBBY. Almost missed the live stream. Was in the middle of your nap. I'm glad you didn't miss it. Live stream, I do like that. You're in any silver ETFs? Let me take a look at them. SLV, It's a bit overextended at the moment. It did close the gap, this daily gap right here. Ideally, guys, you ideally want to catch it when it's at support. It's a bit overextended. Doesn't mean it can't go up. I don't like trying to buy when it's way out here. I like down here at support levels. You know, so I like to see stuff as it's coming down. Like this would be the candle I would have liked, right? So pullback, possible flag, kind of a cup pattern. I like to get it down here, not necessarily out there. Again, doesn't mean it can't continue up. I'm just trying to get kind of breakout candles for you guys. I would potentially consider this one. I like when it's somewhat holding its highs. Although, this may be setting up right here. Cars.com. Possible flag on the hourly. This one may be interesting right here. I actually might consider cars. Potentially. Oh, you guys are asking me for lots of... I'm going to have to look at stuff towards the end for you guys. Again, I got to try to make this video quicker today. Not because I necessarily want to, but because I'm going to head out. Ooh, possible pennant pattern. This one may be interesting. Bloomin' Brands. Possible Morning Star. I might put that one on. BLMN. 25% on SLV. Nice job. Let's look at Urban Outfitters. I was looking at that one. Maybe. Urban Outfitters may be potentially doing a reversal. Let's look at the hourly. Potential. Possible that one or AEO, American Eagle. AEO. That one. Do I like American Eagle or URBN? URBN, Urban Outfitters. I actually might put Urban Outfitters on the swing trade watch list. URBN. This one's got a bullish Harami pattern. This one might be doing a reversal. CGEN. That one's pretty interesting. I actually might put CGEN on. Actually, do I want to put some of these on the... I'm actually going to move some of these down to... I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this down to swing trade watch list. Move some of those down. Oh, this isn't interesting. Cenovus Energy. Morning Star above the 9 EMA, holding support. This one may be interesting. $4. CVE. CVE. Abercrombie, some of the retail ones. I'm not a fan of Abercrombie. I like Urban Outfitters, not Abercrombie. Sorry to the Abercrombie lovers. I'm not an Abercrombie fan. I'm very snobbish about my clothes. Swings, yeah. So basically, guys, I mean, the ones I put on the watch list, on our day trade watch list, many of them can be used for swing trading. So, because they're kind of higher float stocks. So I put them as day trade, but many of them can be swing traded as well. So Oh, that's a terrible chart. I think I need to put more face lotion on my face. My face feels dry. I just took a shower and I put some on, but I think I need some more. I like that. Getting that tan going, guys. That warm weather. Love it. All right, let me take a look at BYND. It's a bit overextended than I would like. Again, I don't like stuff when it's way out there. Silver ETFs against bankruptcy. I mean, depending whether you're talking about holding long term, I'm just a little cautious holding ETFs long term. I'm more short term or swing trading them. You live with 3 rednecks. You don't go outside. What? You don't go outside? Oh, redheads. Oh, that's fine. I thought you said rednecks. I was like, I thought you said, blind trader. I thought you said, I live with 3 rednecks and we don't go outside. And I was like, what? Rednecks? Of course they go outside. But you said redheads. That's fun. Oh, Dea, first time seeing me. All respect. Nice. What's up? Shout out. Dude, I've become a superstar in this biz. I don't know. It depends who you're talking about. Kyle, is that you, buddy? Is that you saying I'm a superstar? I can't see. It doesn't say in the chat who's talking to me. It's got to be Kyle, maybe. Kyle talking me up. If that is Kyle, Kyle's my buddy. Shout out, Kyle. I miss you, brother. VSTM, possible double bottom right off that 200 SMA. Maybe doing a reversal up. Let's look at the hourly. Potentially, if it gets above the 50 SMA, it might have room up to that 200. ERX. ERX is right. This is not my style, guys. I don't like when it's just kind of below the moving average lines, flat and like this. It's not my style. It is below. It's below on the moving average lines on both the hourly or the daily. Again, doesn't mean it can't go up. It's just not my style. What else you got? That's funny. That was a good one. Yeah, you got me too, blind trader. I was like, what? I'm like, all rednecks all they do is go outside. Redheads. That's right. VRSN. Well, you have kind of a V bottom, cup and handle. Watch if price can get above resistance around that 219.50-ish area. And then you have 221.78-ish resistance. And then you have some resistance right up over in here. So if price can break above here, there's some overhead resistance. You have some support around that $215 area. On the hourly, might be setting up right here. So got to watch and see again those resistance levels. So looking pretty decent. MED. Well, you have a possible cup and handle on the hourly. You can see some... What the heck did I just press? Oh no, what did I just do? What the heck did I just do? Oh man, what did I just connect? What the heck is this? Do you guys know what this is over here? How the heck did I get this over here now? Dang it. Fit studies. Ah, for crying out loud. Oh my goodness. What the heck did I get on my chart? Hold on. Let's do this. SPY layout. Fix it. Yes. All right. I don't know what the heck I just did. That was going to make me go crazy. Not going to lie. I thought you were a plaid shirt and had a long, dirty blonde hair and a ponytail. Why, with my name? Disable left axis. Well, Chemo, I took the path of least resistance, and I just whatever. Redid my layout. Hold on one second. I just see a text. Oh no, son of a gun. That sucks. All right. I just got some bad news. All right. Okay, that's annoying. All right. Sorry, I shouldn't have just read my phone. All right, that's super annoying. Hold on. Son of a gun. Oh, all right. Sorry, guys. I just got an annoying text, and that just put me in a bad mood. All right. CGC. Possible cup and handle. Possible flag. Let's see. Cup and handle on 1 hour. Watch for potential continuation with resistance around 1650, 1750, and 1850-ish. It's an hourly gap, 143. Possible reversal setup. Watch if price can get above 20 EMA on 1 hour and go up into gap just below 150-ish. What is this one? $241. $250, $295, $250 to $3. Possible reversal. So let's say possible reversal formation. Watch if price can get above, or watch for potential continuation up with resistance between $250 to $3. Cup and handle, resist right around. To 1250. So what is that? 12. Cup and handle on daily. Watch for possible continuation with resistance between 12 to 1250-ish. Oh, that's another cup and handle, Bed Bath & Beyond. Some resistance right around $6. 6 to 650. Possible reversal setup. Watch for possible continuation with resistance between 6 to 650-ish. Right between here, 6 to 650-ish. Cars. Wait, that's not the jingle. I was thinking of 1877 Cars for Kids. KARS, Cars for Kids. You guys know that jingle? That's a good jingle. But that's not cars.com. That's another one. Donate your car today. We need a Bullish Bears jingle. I gotta come up with one. I ain't a musician, but what do we got here? 568. Some resistance here. $576. Possible reversal. Let's see. Possible reversal. Watch for potential continuation with resistance around 576-ish. I will look at your comments in a minute, guys. I am focused on trying to get this done. Focused. Possible reversal. Right there. 1050-ish. Cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, possible pennant. Pennant within cup and handle. Watch for possible continuation with resistance at 200 SMA on 1 hour. CVE, cup and handle-ish. Yeah, definitely cup and a handle. Watch for gap, daily gap, right around that $4. Cup and handle on daily. Watch if price moves up to daily gap around $4. I'm spilling water, guys. CGen, possible reversal. Let's see. We're here at 1278 up to 1345. Possible reversal formation. Watch for potential continuation with resistance between around with resistance around 1278 and 1345-ish. Right here, 1278 marker, kind of right around here, and that 1345-ish. Urban Outfitters, Cup and Handle, 1682. Let's see. Cup and Handle on 1 hour. Watch if price can get above 200 SMA on 1 hour. All right. So far, I think I did. I'm all right. Let's see. At or above. Bada bing. Bada boom. That worked. Guys, if you guys are wondering about my sweet shirt today and you're wondering, is that guy promoting cash as in money? No, I'm not promoting cash as in money. This is cash as in Johnny Cash. And you can say, wow, how did you get that? Like, did you run it through the dirty mill or did you get it all dirty? What did you do to get that look? And I would say, no, guys, I found out I had a creative side of me about a few months ago, this past winter or last fall, somewhere around there. And I started like taking shirts and distressing them. I'm not a professional by any means. You could say, well, how the heck did you do it? All I did is I literally took scissors and like pin things and bought things of bleach and I just hacked them. So I ordered shirts that I thought were cool and then I hacked them up and then I just went outside and I just poured bleach on it and I just like dirtied it all up. And then you can see that's how I got this look right here. And so you can see I just kind of hacked it all up. Now it's kind of a cooler shirt, right? Then I got my hat right here. Got my America hat, right? Got my distress. I didn't do, actually, did I distress this? I actually did a little bit. It was kind of distressed. And then I distressed it myself. So that, right? So I'm going out in the country later today. So I'm going to put my boots on. Maybe, I don't know if I got a flannel or denim, something. I'll put something on, but so that's that. All right, wait a sec. Wow, lots of comments. What do you guys got? Hey, what got canceled? Not allowed. What thing got canceled, Stefan? Not allowed in big groups yet there. Yeah, this is not, I don't know if this is a big group or not. Well, they're not going to catch her out in the country. What are you going to get out in country? You're going to break up a bonfire? I pulled up SRNE a few minutes ago. I'll do it again for you guys, or for whoever said that. Let's see. SRNE is, well, on the hourly, possible pennant formation. I don't like trading stuff when it gets way out here like this. Possible pennants, got a potential. It could go back up to $9. I just don't like trading something when it's way out there like that. And yeah, it's a huge high wave candle. If you ask me, I have no clue what it'll do. I don't trade stuff when it does that. Just not my preference. You are welcome. Like hearing that. PW. PW. Power Right 1980. Yeah, again, kind of another one. Once price breaks out like this, I personally stay away from it. It's just super overextended. Float and shares, what's the difference? Very good question. So TD Ameritrade, for whatever reason, doesn't have a column for float. Why? I have no clue. But shares is basically shares outstanding. And actually with TD Ameritrade, it's very similar to float. So when you see shares over here, it's actually a little bit higher than the float. So typically the float will be a little bit less. I don't know, like just doing an example, we could take a look. Right here, it says 126 million for Bed Bath & Beyond shares outstanding. I would bet the float is probably somewhere around 105, 110. We can do a test. We can do Yahoo Finance. Let's type in BBBY. So typically the shares outstanding is higher than the float. So it's a kind of a good gauge for float. Oh crap, what was it? Which one is float? I always forget what float is here. What the heck? Is it historical data? Dang it, which one's float on company on Yahoo? I haven't been here for a while. Financials? What the heck? Did they change something over here? And you guys use... I don't look at Yahoo Finance usually. That's annoying. Float. Stock float. Research stock. Look up stock float. Let's see if this will do it. Market Watch. I hardly ever pay attention to this because I just use my shares outstanding on TD and it's pretty accurate. Let's see. Public float. All right. So BBBY, public float. So there you go. Perfect example. Look at that. See, so here's Bed Bath & Beyond. It says 120 million float, 126 million shares outstanding. And what is it? Right there, 126 shares outstanding, right? So it's actually a little bit higher than I thought. So take another one. We'll do cars. That says 67 million. So it's probably right around 60-ish. We'll see how close I am. Cars. Cars. Public float. 66 million. Oh, not that much shorter. So as you guys can see, it's really good. It's actually a pretty cool tool for TD. What's up, Timmy? So it's the number of shares that are outstanding to be traded. So the lower the float, the higher the volatility, typically the more pumping and dumping. The higher the float, again, so the more shares, so the higher the float, the more shares that are able to be traded. So less volatility because there's more supply to go with the demand. With low float, there's less supply to go with the demand, so hence that huge volatility. So low float stocks are typically ones that pump and dump a lot more. Again, not saying don't trade them. Hugely, hugely popular for penny stocks and day trading. It's just huge volatility. So that's what you'll see in our watch list. I typically put medium to higher float stocks, less pumping and dumping. Again, if you like a lot of the low float stocks, we post trade ideas and stuff every morning as well. But on these stocks, I kind of try to typically put on stocks that are less pumping and dumping, so less potential traps for you guys. Oh, you're welcome. What's up, Scott? How are you, man? All right, let's see if I can find one more potentially. Look at NVIDIA. Man, that thing's flying. Baidu. All right, Baidu. That's possible. Possible reversal. Potentially. We may potentially put that one on, maybe. Disney. Adobe. Potentially. Netflix. So, Timmy, I didn't realize I put CGC on there, and I guess that's one you're creeping on right now. It's always nice to put one on there when we have the master already ahead of it. Timmy, the stock master. Walmart, maybe potentially going up. Potentially, maybe Walmart. Maybe I'll put that one on. Well, okay, great question. What's the recommended float to be considered low float? Typically anything under 20 million, under 10 million. So it's like under 20 million's low float, under 10 million, super low float. Your videos are awesome. Thanks. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks, Scott. Appreciate it. Tim, can you say you like weed being a popo? Can you say that you like the weed? Not saying Tim likes weed, everybody. He said he likes the weed on here, so it's a legit question. I'm asking him as an officer of the law. I've smoked it before, but I've never inhaled. All right, 3M might be the one. Timmy, keep an eye on 3M. I bet you Tim's already got 3M on watch. It's a Morningstar reversal setting up. Got some 140 resistant. Exactly. Not sure. Maybe reach out to Mike. Mike might be able to do a TOS. This might be an interesting one. A Morningstar pattern. And cup and handle potentially on the hourly, or possible inverse head and shoulders cup and handle flagging right here on the hour. Actually going to probably put Yahoo, or what is this, 3M. Might put potentially 3M on. 138. Possible reversal setup. Watch for potential continuation with resistance around 140-ish. All right, I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done there. Where can I find Mike's info? He's actually in the trade room pretty much every day. Or you could, I don't know if Mike does. You can email bbteam@bullishbears.com and just say, can someone, bbteam@bullishbears.com. I don't know if he can do it. So maybe shoot an email there. And just ask, hey, can Mike do TOS scripts? I don't know if he can or not. All right. How long have I officially been doing this stream right now? 45 minutes. All right. So so there's some people that complain on YouTube that I go too long. I'm at 45 minutes right now. So now I'm going to post the list. I could probably get this one down to an hour. but I don't really care. I don't care. If you're listening and you don't like that I make longer videos, well, poo-poo on you. I'm not making them shorter. I will do what I want. Sometimes I'll make them longer. Sometimes I'll make them shorter. But technically, this video is technically done with the watch list. Now I'm just posting stuff. If you guys want me to look at stuff, I will along the way. I'm just now I'm just posting it to the website so you guys actually I think I'm probably going to end this video because I got to get going. During the corona we don't have anything else to do. Yeah, I mean, well guys, Tim, I actually have a great question for Tim. Tim, do you have to arrest people right now for being out in public? Like today, I'm going to a cookout and I'm going to not social distance. Would you arrest me if I was down in Baltimore County right now, or would I get away with that? Because I'm basically going to go out and wear no mask. I'm going to go out in public to a cookout in the country. So would I get arrested if I was in Baltimore County down there? Arrest him, Tim. No, police don't even want to touch anybody. See? I like that. Tim, did you see that video on Twitter? Oh my gosh. Tim, did you see the video? I'm going to find it right now if not. Hold on. Tim, did you see the video of the officer trying to catch the kid that was running on the beach? There was a kid. Oh God, you got to see this. This is amazing. I got to get this for Tim right now that he's watching. Tim, did you see that video of the officer? There was a guy just minding his business. He was just jogging on the beach, and then a police officer trying to chase him. Oh my God, this is great. You got to watch this. This is epic. Oh geez, let's find it. Officer Tim, you're gonna die laughing if you see this. Officer chases kid on beach during coronavirus. Who knows what we'll find here. Oh, I gotta play this real quick. Tim, this is great. This is my favorite one, this kid right here. But let me just play this. I gotta find that video for Tim. Hold on.
Hey everybody, this is Patrick with 5 College Movers here for week 4
Hi,
of
Patrick.
the Rubber Duck.
If I get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day, I'm not going to let it stop me from partying. You know, we've been waiting for Miami spring break for a while. About 2 months we've had the strip playing. 2-3 months. So we're just out here having a good time. Whatever happens, happens.
Like it's really messing up with.
Get corona, I get corona. Get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day.
That guy's my spirit animal. I love him. But right here, guys, I gotta find this video for Tim. Hold on. Police officer chases kid on. Tim, I'm telling you, dude, wait till you see this. Oh, come on. This was the best video ever. I hope they didn't take it down. Hold on. I gotta log into Twitter and see if I can find it. Actually, I am logged in. Police officer chases kid on beach. I don't know if it's because I wasn't logged in. Ah, don't tell me they took it down. Cop chases. Come on. Oh. No, that's not it. Dang it. Cop chases kid on beach. Sometimes I do them on Saturday. Sometimes I do them on Fridays. Oh, here it is. Here it is, Tim. Tim, here it is, buddy. You still here? This is it. Amazing. Watch this.
Il corridore con la maglia rossa va molto veloce.
It's Tim right there, the cop. Look at you, Tim. Ready? Here it goes.
Non si ferma.
Watch this.
Non si ferma.
Watch this. It's Officer Davis. Watch this.
Non si ferma. Si è fermato. No,
Look at the officers. The popo's wearing a mask too.
ma è scappato.
Look at how fast that kid ran. Oh, that's amazing. Tim, is that you, buddy?
Faccio vedere.
Oh, that officer got dusted. Oh, I gotta post that for you guys here in the. Oh, look at the cop was right there too. He was so close. Watch how close he was.
Veloce. Non si ferma.
The kid's just jogging on the beach.
Non si ferma.
Got his hand on his gun, maybe.
Non si ferma. Si è fermato. No,
Un inseguimento fantastico.
ma è scappato.
It sounds like a different country, but.
Proprio la polizia ha messo fucile.
Oh, what's up, Creed? Tim doesn't want to get Tim don't want to get the Rona. Oh, that's funny. All right, guys, you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I'll catch you all later.